if you look at a simple summary of the integral map that we use, and there are dozens of variables, but we time and time again have found that there are 5 that are really, really important. We call them quadrants, levels, lines, states, and types. Those are not abstractions. Those are something that you are aware of right now in your own awareness. Every single one of the things I mentioned is something that I can point out to you right now in your own awareness. The quadrants are I, we, and it, or first person, second person, third person pronouns. You're aware of that right now in your own awareness. If I'm taught for the person that's talking is first person, the person being spoken to is second person, and the person or thing being spoken about is third person. So right now I happen to be first person, singular, and you all are second person plural. And I like, the Southerners, they use you all because there's no good plural for second person. Have you noticed that? So use, plural, is kind of what it should be. Northerners say you guys, and Southerners say y'all. And that's what they're trying to get across. So you're the second person plural right now, only because I'm speaking. In a moment, you're going to speak, then you'll be first person, I'll be second person. And we'll be talking about that really embarrassing person over there, who would be third person. Or the thing we're talking about, it could be the map, and that's the third person. So you're aware of that right now. You can feel the I in yourself. And as you look at me and feel me as a you or a thou, you can feel that. And we are attempting to reach mutual understanding. And every time you understand something I'm saying, that is the lower left quadrant. You can feel it. So, and the same is true for levels, lines, states of consciousness. I could go through and point out exactly the same thing. It's not something that you have to learn about. And once you memorize the concept, like deconstruction or something like that, then it's yours. The integral map is something that you already own. You're just going to learn some terminology to help communicate with others so we can all be on the same page. Now, every other human being, without exception, has those 5 same things going on. And if you know how to spot those, if you know they're there, then when it comes to leadership or just effective communication or skillful means, or just how to relate to somebody in a way that they can hear or understand you, you're going to do much, much better if the map that you're using is integral. In work, in play, in relationships, and so on. The more your cognition is integrally informed, it becomes almost a self-operating system that goes through your own biocomputer and sets off a little red flag if you're not taking some of these things into account.